What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yes, free, Free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, Turn Motivation into Millions, and the Hussle Family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So beware of all the fake King Hussle pages out here. We got a lot of fake Telegrams, Instagrams, even YouTubes, especially that scammer that commented under everybody posts, Telegram, King Hussle 1X or whatever. Beware, all right? Before y'all send y'all money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're getting what you pay for, and you get legit business, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody gonna do anything. So let's get this thing started. So I'm finna drop some gems for y'all. You know how I do it. We're gonna start the day off early. We're gonna start the day off right. So I'm gonna drop some good gems for y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some information that a lot of people need to know. Because a lot of people, want to make money. A lot of people are in this money-making world, and, they want to become successful. They want to be rich. So, basically, the gems I'm going to drop for y'all today is basically letting y'all know how a lot of people want CPNs. Everybody want a CPN to do this. Everybody want a CPN to do that, right? And when it all boils down to it, a business, getting an LLC in a business is almost the exact same thing as an LLC. How is that possible? Because let me tell you. You got to think about it like this. When you turn 18, you're a new entity and you can start, you're not a new entity, but when you turn 18, you're legally able to start building your credit, right? So you have basically no credit history. You're starting off fresh. You got to start adding trade lines and getting accounts and paying on them, and you can go to college and get student loans and things like that, right? So boom. When you get a CPN, you got to start fresh. You got to build credit on it. You got to add trade lines. You got to do this and that. You know what I'm saying? You got to basically do everything to build this credit score up, right? Okay, boom. So a lot of people get CPNs or try to get CPNs to get houses and cars and things like that because their credit is bad, right? Okay. Well, you do know you can do these exact same things on your business credit. If you got an LLC, it's like building a CPN. And let me give you an example. So, because when y'all watch this video, I want y'all to really pay attention to understand what I'm saying, all right? So, you get a CPN, right? It's a new entity, right? So, let's say, whatever, you build the CPN around, whatever. You got to establish credit on it. Get trade lines and do this, and then get loans and do all that and get money, right? When you start an LLC or a business, you gotta get an LLC, get your EIN number, Dun and Bradstreet. You gotta establish it and start adding credit on it, right? Business credit. When you have an LLC established, and when I mean established, I mean you got an LLC. You got EIN number, you got a virtual address, you got your business number, and you got your business number with the 401 National Directory. You got a website, Dun & Bradstreet, UIE number, and your NAV account. Now you got everything that you need to start building your business credit. So once you get an 80 credit score or better, now you're qualified to have, you're qualified as a good liability to get money loaned to your business at high limits, right? So boom, you gotta pay to add trade lines. You gotta pay to build credit, and a lot of people don't understand that. So a lot of people be trying to build CPNs and figure out how to get these new SSN numbers and how to try merge them and how to do this and how to do that, and they just be stuck. Well, you do know. You start an LLC, you do know how to make an LLC. Y'all do know how to get y'all EIN number. Y'all know how to build it. Y'all know how to add trade lines on it. Y'all know how to establish business credit. And you will get way more money faster with your business credit than a CPN or with personal credit. But all y'all hear is bad credit loans, 10,000 here. That's because the average American mind is lazy. The average American is not going to say, you know what, let me go start my LLC. Let me get it established. Let me do this and let me do that. Then I'm going to be able to get a business loan. The average American is not going to put two and two together and understand that you can get business funding way faster or easier than the CPNs and then personal loans. Because let me tell you, let me break it down to you. Personal credit, utilization rate. So utilization rate on your personal credit. So if you get a $10,000 credit card, you're not supposed to use more than 10%, $1,000 on that credit card. You get a $10,000 business card, you're not. They don't matter how much you use. You get a $10,000 credit card, you spend the whole $10,000. Cool. Long as you pay it back on time or pay it back before the due date, that's exceptional. They like that, which means they're gonna boost your credit limit up. They want to see that they can lend you money. You can do what you're supposed to do and pay that money back. Because now that looks good, and they're gonna say, oh, well, let's lend you some more money. Vice versa on your personal side, you get your a $10,000 credit card loan, you go over the utilization rate or you pay it back on time, you might see a negative impact on your credit score. Like with anything else, I know a lot of people out there who done paid off bills and accounts on their credit score, on their personal credit. Then when they pay it off, it affects their credit negative. They like, how? Well, how? Like, why did it take 20 points away from my credit? And you get hurt inside, you get sad. Like, what's going on? I did all that to build my credit, and it affected my credit in a negative way? What? Yeah. Or you get this CPN, you can't figure out how to tri-merger. You can't figure out these new 9 numbers. You can't figure out how to get credit on it. You can't figure things out. And you're stuck. Make it make sense. You start that business, you can start your business and get established in 2 to 3 days. And start adding net 30, net 60, net 90 accounts, little bitty accounts, doing the same thing that you have to do with a personal credit or your CPN, adding those little accounts, building your business credit to an 80 payday score or higher, learning certain techniques, and I guarantee you'll be getting $100,000 in business funding within 3 months. Easy as that. You see, a lot of people get it messed up because I got a lot of people who watch my videos who are kids, middle-aged, and adults, right? And so it'd be a lot of people who don't understand the importance of credit and what's really going on in life. A lot of people who watch my videos, they get intrigued about the money. Everybody just want the money. Listen, you're not going to get any type of money if you don't have a passion for anything in life. If you don't have a passion to be successful, a passion to do good, a passion to elevate, a passion for something, you're not going to do it. And you're going to be stuck in the same place. Because I know it's a lot of people who probably been watching my videos that want to do it, but they don't have the passion to do it, so they're still stuck in the same place. You got to have a passion for anything that you want to do. And if you have a passion, you're going to do whatever it takes to figure out how to make it happen. A lot of people don't have a passion for anything. They just want money. If people have passion for something, they'll take that time and that energy towards whatever that passion is that they have, and they'll learn how to be the best at whatever they want to do. Point blank, period. So people out there that complain about them not having money, people complain about them working a 9 to 5, people complain about them driving trucks, people complain about them being in a position they don't want to be in, that's your fault because you don't have the passion to really do it. If you don't have the passion to be successful and get money, you're not going to get money. Because people who got a passion to be successful and do something and get money, a whole lot of money, they're going to do whatever it takes to figure it out and make it happen. Then you got the people that say, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. But they say, yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't want that. So what do you want to do? Because whatever you've been doing this far hasn't gotten you anything. Don't be a follower, be a leader. No one's going to give you anything. Get your mind together. Understand that you can become a multi-millionaire faster than anything by getting your business together. I told y'all about LLCs, C Corps, S Corps, and nonprofit organizations. I didn't show y'all how You can get a nonprofit organization. Instead of being paid for something, you'll get a donation for something. And you can get a 501c tax write-off deduction. How y'all think all these pastors out here be having all this money preaching the word of God? And how you think all these nonprofit organizations be having so much money? Black Lives Matter and this and that. You control where the money goes. Why you think I tell y'all about the corporations and how to, instead of how to pay yourself through your own business? So if you're on child support or anything like that, you control how much you get paid. Which means if they see how much you get paid, they go off your payment, which means you can control if you have a $200 payment, child support payment, a $100 child support payment, a $1,000 child support payment. Learn business. Because once you learn business, you'll learn loopholes and techniques on how to do every single thing there is in business, from loans, CPNs, business loans, credit cards, lines of credit, and everything else in between. And that's why I teach this, because I want everybody to be business savvy. I want everybody to have a business mind. I want everybody to have the knowledge to get along this way, this way, and that way. Because you do know once you learn something, maybe you'll be able to create a CPN and have fun and just to have fun. I'm not telling anybody to create a CPN. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. But at the end of the day, everybody wants a CPN. Everybody want to be a follower, but no one knows how to build it. No one knows how to actually do this and do that to do whatever they want to do with the CPN. But in real life, if you knew how to build credit and you knew how to build a business credit score, you would know how to build a CPN. Point blank period, because it's the same steps. But I'm not telling you to build a CPN. I'm telling you to get a business and get your LLC and get the same funding and invest and start a corporation and start an umbrella and start these other businesses and age certain businesses, because you can start an LLC right now, age it, and have your own age corp and sell it for $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. Did you know that? We'll talk about that in the next video. Yeah, I'm dropping gems today. So make sure, worry about your business credit. Worry about your business, because you can get $1 million business loan. And it don't matter where you spend that money, as long as you pay it back. So let's say you get $1 million business loan and you want to start a production company, or you a rapper, or you a model, or you this or you that. You got $1 million to invest in your business. Now it's up to you to take that $1 million and turn it to $3 million, $2.5 million. So you're going to have to pay that $1 million back, made $1 million and a little bit more, and you're going to get another loan. You're going to die with bills. So die with the right bills. Point blank period. It's your boy King Hussle, man. We starting the day off right, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers, all my new supporters, all my supporters. Everybody's been tapped in with the Hustle Nation family, man. Shout out to y'all, man, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping these videos and keep y'all entertained. So that's what I'm going to continue to do, man. Shout out to y'all. Anybody looking to join a production company, models, actors, rappers, producers, cameraman, content creators, tap in with me, all right? Anybody got music out there? $200 music review. You pay me the $200 Cash App payment, and I'm gonna check you out, see what you got. Don't come write me in my inbox telling me I'm the hottest thing, this and that, trying to be buddy, friendly. But then when I tell you a $200, it's a whole different ball game. You already showing me your true colors. Nobody wants to work with that type of people. Nobody wants to work with people, period. You're not going to go anywhere in the world and tell somebody, I'm the best rapper, you need to sign me, this and that. It's not going to happen. If it was, you would be signed already, right? So make it make sense. Also, models, if you're a beautiful young lady out there, if you're beautiful, you got talent, you ready to invest into your talent, you got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Point blank period. If you got some modeling pictures, you ready to get put in the position to do videos, podcasts, skits, start your YouTube channels, get put in music videos. You do 5 music videos a day for $200, you just made you $1,000. You do that for 5 days, you just made you $5,000. You do that for a whole month, that's $20,000. When the last time you made you $20,000? Yeah, it got real quiet, right? So yeah, when the last time you made $10,000 off YouTube? Okay, yeah, got real silent. So you can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Have a good head on your shoulders. Be willing to learn, be willing to elevate, and I promise you I'm going to put you in the right position, all right? And cameraman, you got a good camera. If you in Houston, Texas, you got a good camera and you got good editing skills, you know, FX, all that good stuff like that, tap in with me. But if you're in surrounding areas or can travel to Houston, Texas, tap in with me. Let's get to work. Producers, tap in with me. Anybody out there looking to get mentored, my mentorship is $3,000. I'm gonna help you make your YouTube channels, help you make any channel page that you need, give you all the documents that you need, give you all the sauce that you need, and I'm gonna help you get together. I'm gonna make sure you make some money. Also, anybody out there trying to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month, if not more, off YouTube. It's called YouTube automation. I know a lot of people be seeing them rain videos, them meditation videos, them top 10 videos, them sports videos that be having millions and millions of views, them motivational videos, those animal videos. All those videos are called, when they don't show no face, just somebody talking in the background, that's called YouTube automation. You get paid a lot of money from that. So you want to learn how to do that, it's going to be $500. You want me to help build your YouTube channel for you, post 5 videos, tags, descriptions, and all that, and help you continue to build the channel. It's going to be $500, and we're going to split the proceeds down the middle. So we make $20,000, you get $10,000, I get $10,000. As long as you post on that consistent basis and a consistent rate, we're going to split it down the middle, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all coming to win, man. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure y'all follow me on IG. Run them follows up. Go run them views up on all my music videos. 3 mixtapes on the way. Music videos on the way. Run that up. And let's get to this money. Giveaway coming soon, man. As soon as I hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway, man. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all come tap in with me and win. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.